What's up everyone, and welcome back to AI Circuit, the show where we make YouTube automation easy and enjoyable. And in this episode, I invite you to join me as we examine some very important tasks associated with your YouTube channel, including uploading great focusing tags using a tool called Rapid Tag. So stay tuned, because by the end of the video, your channel will be engineered for maximum performance. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let us address general settings. Yeah, this is probably the most boring of tasks, but go ahead, you can do it. I promise it will be smooth sailing afterwards. You will also choose your default currency here. You might be saying, so what? It matters if you wish to make any money. You would not want to start earning from YouTube only to find out that you have no idea how to convert the dollars into your local currency. So do yourself a favor and select a currency. Now let's move on to the good parts, the channel settings. A great deal of what I will do comes naturally, so I won't have to force it. I can start by going into basic settings, and I can move forward by entering keywords in the section where I can talk about what my channel is about. It's like I'm creating a dating profile for YouTube, where I have to say what kind of content do I like. To make this really simple and effective, you have to go to Rapid Tag, your video subject, type that in, and Rapid Tag will provide a list of optimized tags faster than I can say. Subscribe to AI Circuit, grab that tag and embed it under the keywords of your channel, description, and even while uploading your videos. And just like that, you have already outsmarted your competitors. Now, lastly, talking about uploads, let us continue with the upload defaults. If you happen to be among those that go on to type tags, descriptions, and visibility settings each of the occasions that they upload a video, please do not continue. Just do not. You can do a whole lot better. You should create a standard description that contains all of your relevant links, social media handles, and perhaps a funny call to action, such as hit that subscribe button now or forever live with the aftermath of regret. And make sure to also add those rapid tag keywords into your tag section so that every upload is somewhat preceded with a head start. Next, if however the case is that you are working with a team, go ahead and locate permissions. This is where crew members get to be assigned different roles like manager, editor, and viewer, among other ones. It's kind of like running a kingdom. You are the king and your team are your closest advisors. Just don't be the person who gives full control to someone who believes that delete is the most entertaining button. Then there's community settings. Believe me, you do not want your comment section to become a troll haven. Block spamming or offensive comments by using the blocked words option. And yes, this goes for those sub and first comments. Also, incorporate moderators in your live chats as well. It's like bouncers in your cyberspace, and these are ready to remove anyone who's out of control. But wait, let's continue. Now, last but not least, let's do the last bit with agreements. This may sound like the annoying fine print, but this is actually a section that must be checked thoroughly, be it monetization terms or any other agreements. It's better to be well aware of the obligations so that you don't infringe them unintentionally. Believe me, getting demonetized is not the vibe. And that concludes the discussion for today. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you are going to need to adapt your settings and use Rapid Tag. For every second that you spend adjusting settings now, you will be able to save hours of work and probably a lot of crying. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Circuit, and hit the bell icon to join our automation journey. Until next time, stay creative, stay automated, and stay awesome.